So I got this power station, EcoFlow Delta River. This is now with the extra battery. So as you can see, EcoFlow River. Let's open the box and see what we get. So it's very protected, as you can see. Here's where all the cables are. Some instruction from for the app, which I say works pretty good. So you can see all the padding right here, and here's the power station. I must say it looks real good. The EcoFlow quick start guide tells you how to start it, all the cables that are included in it, XT60 to everything is how you connect to solar and through the cigarette lighter. Take that out. Let's turn it on. There you go. 30% charge out of the box. This is rated at 288 watt hour. Let's charge it. See how fast it charges at 30%. 70, 90, 100, 130, 221, 237. It'll go down. 250. There you go. So at this rate, it should be charged in about a little bit over an hour, which is what was advertised. So let's do a little testing. Test it here, my 250 watt hour heater. As you can see, it's pulling 245, but it doesn't show the inverter inefficiency. 30 minutes left, 47%, still running. There you go. So to conclude, I was able to get 225 watt hour out of the AC using the 250 portable heater that I got from Walmart. And if you think about it, that's if you do a little math, that's $1.17 per watt hour that I paid for this. I paid $264 on this on Amazon Prime Day. So that's much more pricier than most power station. So if this is something if you need something a really super fast recharging rate, this is good for you. If you use it once in a while for emergency purposes, that's really good. But other than that, it's much more pricier compared to most power station. You can even get a 500 watt hour portable power station for $300, and I have a 622 watt hour power station which pulled at 555 watt hour. So that's roughly 85% of what is rated capacity for, higher than this well-known brand EcoFlow River. This company is pretty much established already, but at about 78, 79 rated capacity. I mean, not rated, but what I was able to get out of. That's substandard in my opinion compared to what's out there now, which is really disappointing. And even if you pay $300 on this, so that's $1.33 per watt hour of what you're paying compared to other companies now, or even no known brands out there. I think even Blue Eddy is lower than that. And also, you cannot recharge it if you use close to the capacity, and the heat that builds inside, you have to wait at least 1 to 2 hours for it to cool down before you can recharge it, which is in a sense a pros. It's a safety feature, but also the recharge rate, the super fast recharge rate, is also a cons in my opinion, because it lowers the battery capacity cycle of it. Now there is, on the app, you can do is you download the app and there's a quiet cycle or quiet recharge option. If you turn that on, this lowers the recharge speed to about 100 watt hour instead of the 260 watt hour recharge rate. So that's uh, presumably that will increase the battery cycle. We don't know. I haven't seen any YouTuber or reviewer that has confirmed that, but theoretically, that should increase the cycle life of the battery because of the slower recharge rate. But like I said, for somebody or anybody that uses this once in a while and you are willing to pay the price, a premium price for this, right now it's 300 and close to 350, and they have a $50 discount on Amazon. So that's equates to $300 roughly for a 288 watt hour. That's the advertised. But what you're really pulling out from this power station is close to 225 watt hour only. So that's 78% roughly estimate of the rated capacity of this power station. So that is really underwhelming, really, in my opinion, considering this is a known brand, established company. Now, I like everything about it. The screen is nice. It gives a lot of detail. The customization on the app is nice. Some people say you have to be connected to the internet initially when you want to connect to the power station. Yes, but after that, I turned off my router and see if you need the internet. No, you don't. So you can still control the battery power station on the app without the internet. So you can do that too. But if this is something that suits your needs and you're willing to pay the price, the premium price, uh, this might be a good thing for you. But for me, this is going back, unfortunately, and sad for it to go. But just the low capacity that it gave me is not enough for my needs. Maybe for your needs it's good enough, but not enough for my needs. But hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I really like this, but unfortunately it's going back due to that reason. Please subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you think. Thank you.